Hi! Even though there's no actual YouTube app for macOS, your Apple computer actually has got a little built-in trick to sort of create one for you. To do this, we first need to start the Safari web browser. Here I'm just going to press Command and space and then search for Safari, but start it any way you like. Then in Safari, we write youtube.com to access the normal YouTube website. Now though, if we take a look up to the left and then click on File, we can here select an option called Add to Dock. If we select this, we first get to write a name for our new little app and also change the address to where it is going to grab our information from if we want to do so. Then we just click Add to add a little YouTube icon to our dock. The interesting thing here is that what we've now created is actually not just a link to opening YouTube in Safari, but more kind of a freestanding little version of Safari backed by the real Safari that only runs YouTube. So if we actually click our new little app and open it, we don't have any normal browser menu or anything like that, just YouTube. Pretty cool, actually. Please though share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.